Watu wangu wa Toyota Mark X. This is for you. Toyota Mark X 2011 all the way to 2019. Is it 2011? Sorry, 2013. Sorry, 2013 all the way to 2019. Brand new headlights. These are original from Japan. OEM part. These have projector lights. It has 3 projectors, as you can see there. They have sequential turn signal, LED light, and these ones actually we are giving them at a cash offer of 120,000 for both of them. If you want a single piece, we are only giving at a cash offer of 60,000. We are located in Kitengela, but we do deliveries countrywide. We can also help install the headlights on your behalf. So this is it. It has the motors here, what we call automatic headlights, the one that moves with the direction of the steering, Sijui kama unaelewa hiyo system. These are the connectors. There's one there, there's another one there. So generally, let's see if it has the bulbs. Hey, you need 2 hands. So these are the cables, these are the extra connectors. These are simply for the LED and the turn signal. Sawa sawa. So kujia hizi headlights, na ukitaka tukudeliver anywhere in the country tutakudeliver. This is Rhino Auto Hub. Our number is 0799 438 100.